Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you Cloudflare Workers AI. This is actually a nice little platform where you can access 100 plus AI models. They have their playground section. We can try out AI models such as Claude, GPT, Qwen. All those AI models will be there. It's completely open source, so you can see that you can also build your own AI app directly. It also provides you with the API key as well. So this is actually their landing page. So you should be logged in right here. So you click on this, then it will redirect you to their developers page. So right here they exactly tells you the exact tutorial by tutorial how to get started. They also have a playground section as well where you can actually try out all the AI models for completely free. So this is the actual website playground.ai.cloudflare.com. So from here you select any model. For example, so we selected this Kimi K2 model, GLM, GPT, Claude. Each and every model is there. You can see Llama as well, GPT, Whisper. Every model is there. So you select the model. After that, you ask a question. So then it will exactly respond to you. So this is exactly a free way by which you can access any AI model for completely free. So simply log in with your Google account. I've already done that. And then they exactly tell you this how to get started using their API key. So this is their own AI. You need to simply copy this code and you can even run this as well. So you can experiment with different models right here. You can see, just select any model from here. As you see, we selected the Gemma model. So you can ask any question. So we simply ask the question and instantly it will actually respond to you. So this Cloudflare Workers Inference AI, it's a nice little way. All the AI models are present in a single place. You can see inside the right hand side, you can select any model, for example. So it exactly respond to you. And from here you select the provider here. You can see OpenAI, Anthropic, Google. Everything is present right here. You select your model and then from here you Cloudflare API key, gateway ID, account ID, everything. So this is their billing section as well. So you need to first of all log in here. So simply log in with your Google account. You can try out the playground section for completely free. But for trying the API, you need to log in. I simply log in as you can see with your Google account here. So once it successfully logins here, it will redirect you to the dashboard area where you can actually create an API key. So this is exactly the request that they have shown you. You can simply make a curl request. Right here, you will replace this API or token. From here, you can select other frameworks as well. Let's suppose you are building from JavaScript. So everything is present. This is actually the base URL. And here you replace the model name, which model you are using, and here you will replace the API key. So now to run the example, you need to create this token. So from here, this button, you click this create authentication token. Just give it a name. And from here, you select the permissions, everything you select. Click on create API token. From here, you select all zone. So once you click the create API token, it will create this API key for you. So you simply copy this API key. Now if you want to run this, you simply create a file or you can directly as well. So you can see the sidebar section right here. We have models here. So almost 150 models are there. From here you select your favorite model from here. You can see Claude Opus, Sonnet, all the latest models are there. So it also shows you the context window, everything is shows you. And this is example the code examples which are given. So you select whatever provider you want to. If you select Anthropic, the code will be updated, and simply copy this code and you can simply run this application. And it's very easy to integrate this API. So you can just see here they have their playground section. It provides you with the free API key as well, and it's completely free to try this. And it's also open source as well, so everything is, you select the model and it exactly shows you the exact code which is required. So this is in TypeScript. The response will be coming directly inside JSON right here. This will be the response coming from the API. This is the input and output token cost here. The pricing is also given to you. Everything is given, the model info, everything. You can see that. So if you do want to see that documentation, you can click the documentation link here. So exactly here you find out the exact information related to this specific model, the input and the output, everything will be shown to you. So definitely check this website out, Cloudflare Workers Inference API. So